Hey, it's Justin from CanadaWhips.ca, and in this video we're going to learn the extended elbow toss. The extended elbow toss is an elbow toss variation where we spin the whip an extra time before we throw it. The whip gets thrown a little bit lower. This means you can catch the whip in some different places. To start the move, we're going to do a regular elbow toss, but we're not going to let go. Instead, we're going to spin the whip around like this. That might seem simple, but actually the handle has a big tendency to get caught in the thong and tangle. So to avoid that, we're going to chicken wing our elbow out and use it to catch the thong. You can see how the thong ends up over my shoulder and the back of my tricep. If I don't do that, this happens. We don't want that because when we throw the whip, it's going to end up in a tangle. You're going to want to catch the whip with the handle pointing forward like this. When you catch it like this, you can immediately go into the back crack of a fast figure eight. Once you're pretty comfortable with this low toss, try and catch the whip in some different places. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. If you want to learn more about whips and whip cracking, check out our website at CanadaWhips.ca.